Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to chapter number 10th of Geography, Urbanization of Standard 9. We'll start with the chapter Urbanization. You will notice that because of the factory near the village and the occupation of the people of the village has started changing. More and more people from outside start living in the village. Transport, hotels, restaurant, messes, retail shop, medical service, etc. start developing. As a result, the basic structure of the village starts changing. See, now it's all about the urbanization. No wonder we have rural area and urban area. But the rural area, the villages are started, improving on itself. Like before, if you'll take the example of 10 years or before 10 years or before 15 years, what happened in the village in Uttar Pradesh and in many of the UP and Bihar's, villages, there is no electricities for 12 hours and to 15 hours. Only 5 hours or 6 hours they get the electricity. So this is now changes. Now the changing is happening. What happened? Now they get the proper transportation before they have the bullet carts and all. Bullock carts and all used to there, and they have to travel from there. There is no communication system, there is no proper hotels and restaurants and the farmhouse and everything. Now people started getting village the things are improving. They have now medical facilities, doctors, and big hospitals and hotels are available there. So the villages area, the rural area started developing. Now, looking at our country, agriculture is the main occupation in the rural areas. Agriculture and its allied occupations are being followed since times immemorial. But now various industries have started coming up in the rural area. For example, factory mills, energy plants, multi-purpose projects, etc. People come from the surrounding regions to work here, and thus the population of the village increases. To fulfill their needs, other services also develop, like medical facilities, food, hospitals, recreations, etc. Consequently, the extent of the village grows and the form of earlier village changes. See, now what happened? The main occupation of every village, and most of the 70% of the Indian population used to have their occupation in the agriculture. Now you have seen the current example, the farmers are fighting for their own rights. So this is the thing, their main purpose and their main occupation was agriculture. But now the people from the urban areas coming and going to that village area, and they started uh, forming there the industries. And because of the industry, many of the needs of the village people, like medical service, food, hospital, recreation, has started. So this is the thing. Now the people from urban area started visiting to the village area for 2-3 days, or for weekends, or for a month, and for their holidays, summer holidays, and the winter holidays. So they started going to that village. Now people having farmhouse, many in the village areas. Even here you can see the example, the Nonavla, the Khandalas. These are kind of village areas, the Mathurans and all. Now they are improving because people started going there, and the popularity, the travel thing started increasing. The Gram Panchayat providing public service to the village gives way to the municipal council and the municipal corporation. These bodies provide the different basic service to the citizen, like drinking water, road transportation, sewage networks, street lighting, etc. Beside this, other factories like town planning, recreation planning, tourist places, parks, etc. also needed to be developed. Consequently, the village transport into the city or town. See, now what happened? The Gram Panchayat, committing their or collaborating their things with the municipal corporation to increase the water facility, the drinking problem, the road, the transportation, the network, the lightning. This all will going to increase, and they will give the facilities to the town, proper village one. And even the tourist places like parks and all. Okay, people can visit there and have their good times, or the health. This all are keep on developing. The village areas now have a proper electricities, and so the village basically transferring into the towns and the city. So this is all about here. We'll see till here. Next we'll continue in next lecture. Thank you.